Hello guys and welcome back to Dr. Cure Care. Today we are diving into an essential topic, skincare products. Whether you're dealing with acne, dryness or just looking for the radiant glow, I've got you covered. Let's talk about the must-have products for a solid skincare routine and how to choose what's best for you. So we are going to explain the step 1. The step 1 is about cleanser. You need to clean your face. A good cleanser is the foundation of any skincare routine. It removes dirt, oil, and makeup, keeping your skin fresh and preventing clogged pores. Look for a cleanser that suits your skin type. Let me tell you cleanser types related to skin types. For oily skin, use a gel or foam cleanser with salicylic acid. For dry skin, go for hydrating cream cleanser with ingredients like glycerin. For sensitive skin, use a gentle, fragrance-free cleanser. Remember to cleanse twice daily, morning and night, and that will be better for your skin. Step 2. Use a toner. Toners are often overlooked but can be game changer. They help balance your skin's pH and prepare it to absorb other products. Have you got oily skin? Dry skin? Look for toners with hyaluronic acid. The third one is a serum. You need to use the serum. This serum has many benefits. We are not going for detail, but you will understand. So, serums are concentrated solution packed with active ingredients to target specific skin concerns. Here are a few options. Vitamin C serum for brightening and fading dark spots. Hyaluronic acid serum for intense hydration. Retinol serum for anti-aging benefits, best used at night. Apply a few drops and gently pat them into your skin. After washing your face each time, you need to use moisturizer. You have to use moisturizer because when the oils of your skin are ripped up with the cleanser or any kind of thing, you need to re-moisturize your skin. If hydration is key, no matter your skin type, a good moisturizer locks in hydration and strengthens your skin barrier. Oily skin, use a lightweight gel-based moisturizer. If you have dry skin, use a cream rich with ceramides. Combination skin, a balancing moisturizer works best. You need to balance if you have a dry skin or whether you are going for oily skin, you have to balance between them. And that's going to work best. Let me tell you about the most important thing, the thing which will protect your skin forever, and that is the most important part. Use sunscreen. Never skip sunscreen. It protects your skin from harmful UV rays, preventing premature aging, dark spots, and skin cancer. Choose a broad spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher. If you wear makeup, go for a sunscreen that layers well underneath. That's it. A simple yet effective skincare routine with the right products, tailored to your skin type. Remember, consistency is key. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Dr. Cure Care. And let me know in the comment which skincare products you swear by. See you in the next video and please support my channel. I will be always uploading such kind of videos about skin and your nails and your bones, about all over your health body.